Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here. Remember, I glued on this piece with the old hide glue? Oh, I heard a crack. Yep. So I spoke to the owner of the Old Brown Glue Company, and he said, "Don't waste your time with old glue. Throw it away." See that? Came apart right on the joint. So I wonder what would happen if I put some more glue on it and rubbed it back together. Where did I put that glue? It's right here. What do I got to lose? Maybe it was a starved glue joint. Maybe it just needed more glue. I don't recall how I did this before, but this is how it's going to get done now. And this time, I think I will actually put a couple of clamps on. So I know we've got plenty of glue. It's running down all over the place. So, how big of a clamp do we need? Not very. Will these fit in between my vise? Yes, they will. So I hope you're having a good day. I can't believe that summer's over. We're back to wearing sweatshirts again. Let's do it the same way. But I think the owner of the company knows a little bit about his product. And when he says don't mess around with old glue, just throw it away, he probably knows what he's talking about. So we'll leave this sit for a day, maybe two. Maybe it was a starved glue joint. Don't know. Maybe the glue is just old. Keeps sliding. Slippery little guy. There we go. Okay. Stay tuned for part 12 of this project. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay there. Head out to your workshop. Check on your glue, check on your varnishes and your paints and finishes. Anything old, dispose of it properly.